welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝐒𝐞𝐈 and I am back with another lecture on the OOP series, lecture number 5, and here we would be looking on SS specifier types, and the second type of SS specifier is private SS specifier. So let's have a quick look at what is private SS specifier. So whenever the members are accessible only inside the class, it's of type private. So what does this means? So consider that I am having a class. Class is car. Okay, here is the example, but still I am giving you an example. So consider I am having a class car. I am having int speed and I am having int weight. Okay. Now to these two variables, I want that these two variables would only be accessed by the member functions inside the class. Like I don't want these particular variables to be accessed outside the class. It should be accessed but only by the member functions present in the class. So what I will be doing, I will be declaring it as private. So whenever I declare these particular variables as private outside the class, I can't use this as, like, consider I am making an object of class car, my car. So I can't use it like my car dot speed. It will show me an error. So basically for this purpose, as you can see, here is the class car and here I have given the private keyword and I have given speed, like I have modified speed of type private. Now in the public section, I will be using this void set speed and get speed to set the value of the speed and to get the value of speed. These both are called as setters and getters. So getters are basically used to get the value and setters are basically used to set the value. So basically I will be using the setters and getters to get the value and set the value, and whenever I need to access this particular variable outside my class, I would be using this function. So here I can use this my car dot get speed to get the speed and my car dot set speed to set the speed. So basically in public we were doing it like my car dot speed equal to something like 20 to set the speed, but here we would be using some functions dot set speed to set the speed. So basically in private variable, the access is allowed only inside the class and these variables can only be accessed by the member function. But in the public SS specifiers, if we consider any variable as public or any variable as private, so in private case it couldn't be accessed outside the class. We would be using the member function to access the variables outside the class, but if we declare it as public, we can use any member, any function outside the class. So basically this we can call it as public and this we can call it as private. So this was the major difference between public and private. So there is one more thing I would like to point out, that if we declare anything as private, only the member functions, so basically set speed and get speed, or the friend function. Now you would be thinking what is this friend function? So we would be looking this in coming videos, but just to give you a brief overview, friend function, as you can see the first word friend. So any function which we declare it as our friend can use that particular member or data variables or the data members if it is declared private. So if anything is declared as private, it can be used firstly by the member functions of the given class and secondly by the friend functions. So this is one thing which is very important. Keep in mind, majorly you can be asked questions on this in the interview, no one knows. So do keep this particular thing in mind, that whenever anything is declared as private, it could be accessed only by the member function of the given class as well as the friend function of the given class. So this was all about private SS specifier in this video. If you're someone who is new to my channel and liking my content, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is looking out for tech content and some content related to off-campus job opportunities, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you're someone who is watching this series or watching this particular video and have any kind of feedback, do let me know in the comments so that I can also improve myself at my best. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.